Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik, and in today's news we have a character set of a wolf Beastmen by Amizawa Pane, some high school generator parts for walking sprites by Koeru. Next we have some plugins, an MV and MZ plugin by Maleki79 that allows us to control exactly how much experience is required for actors to gain levels. An MZ plugin by Panda that preloads all images inside an event right before the event starts running. This helps remove any potential lag when images are displayed. Mokusei Penguin has been porting their MV plugins to MZ these past several months, and I have missed covering them in this news. There's a lighting plugin, a minimap plugin, a message extension plugin, a choice extension plugin, self variables, a plugin that darkens inactive windows, and several more. The list is long, so you want to go through this yourself. And lastly, we have a new tool by Think Relative that scans a Tileset or Spritesheet for individual sprites and extracts the ones we select as separate images. That is all for today. Now I go scan for any new art of MV-chan and MZ-chan.